Everybody, it's Teresa. So I am finally working on a large canvas. I'm super excited. I've got 3 of these here. I was originally going to make an enormous triptych, but with COVID and the gallery having to close that I wanted to put it at, I decided just to go ahead and try these individually. I'm going to try probably one brand new technique. This will be similar pouring, but I think I'm going to dam off the sides with some tape so that I can run a solid color down each side. So I've got 3 of these, and then I've got this enormous one. See that one? This big one is 24 by 48. I love working on these rectangular sizes. So I won't be doing this big one today. I'll be doing this one, which is still 12 by 36. So I'm going to attempt to do something around 7 or 7:30 tonight, if you guys can get online. If not, of course, it's recorded. You guys can watch it at your convenience. And I'll do my best to show you as much as I can. I won't be discussing probably technique or thickness of paints or anything like that. I will just be pouring. It's probably going to take me maybe 45 minutes to pour, something like that. It may go quicker than I think. I don't know. And if it goes super quick, I may do a second one. Just depends. So anyways, I hope to see you guys tonight. Again, I'm going to try to do something around 7:30 or 8. Just depends on what time we get dinner done and how long it takes me to mix the paint and everything else. All right, see you later.